Hey guys, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. So today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add contacts on Yubo. So I'm going to be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one. So if you have any problem or any queries in this process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to go to your Yubo app and then log in with your account. Once you do that, what you need to do is you need to go to this item on your bottom list. So this is friends item. Just go over here. Now what you need to do is to add contacts, just go and discover the people that the contact you have. So let me just go with this one. So there's two steps, guys. You can either add it from here directly, or you want to go like have their pics and then you want to add, so you can just press on their profile, and from here you'll be having this option to add. Just press over here and they will be added like this. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.